Are you hitting a wall with crafting the perfect lead magnet that stands out and genuinely attracts high-value clients? If your answer is a head nod, you're far from alone in this pursuit. As a pivotal piece of the B2B puzzle, a magnetic lead magnet can be a game changer, a powerful magnet for those high-value clients you're after. But let's face it, it's a cluttered market out there, and standing out is tougher than ever. In the B2B landscape, the competition is not just tough, it's cutthroat. You're trying to capture the attention of potential clients who are inundated with choices. The one weapon that you have at your disposal? A strong, effective lead magnet. Yet, without a proper analysis of content gaps, even the most strategic lead magnet may falter. There's a chance it might tumble into the abyss of overlooked digital downloads, never quite hitting the mark, and never pulling in the leads you need. This oversight can lead to a domino effect of missed chances to build trust, showcase your expertise, and instill a sense of value, ultimately prolonging the sales cycle and even resulting in a hit to potential revenue. So, buckle up. We're about to embark on a journey to make sure your lead magnets don't just exist, but they perform. They lead, they convert, and they do so because you took the time to identify what's missing, a step as critical as the creation of the lead magnets themselves. Let's dig into those gaps together, fill them up, and start a new chapter that's poised to drive results. Now that we're set on the path to develop lead magnets that truly resonate, the first crucial step is to roll up your sleeves and conduct a thorough audit of your existing content. This isn't just about taking a casual glance at your blog posts or website pages. It's about diving deep to understand the full spectrum of your content landscape. Start by gathering every piece of content your company has produced. This includes everything you have on your website, blog, social media, brochures, and any other marketing materials you've used. Lay it all out on the table. You're looking for patterns, strengths, and more importantly, the voids that need filling. Once you've got everything in front of you, make a list. What topics have you covered? What types of content do you use? Articles, videos, infographics? And what's the main goal for each? Awareness, engagement, conversion. This might seem basic, but you'd be surprised at the insights that come from laying it all out. Next, you want to zero in on the content that gets the most attention. Which blog post is a hit with your audience? Which explainer video is watched over and over again? High engagement is a clear indicator that a topic matters to your audience. But it's not just about applause, it's about action. Which pieces of content actually lead to a phone call, a subscription, or a request for a demo? That's your content gold. Then, look for the missing pieces. Are there topics that keep coming up in sales calls that you haven't covered comprehensively in your content? Often, it's these recurring themes or unanswered questions that provide the richest soil for lead magnets. These are the pains your potential clients live with, the queries that niggle at them in the quiet moments of their workday. Address these gaps, and you're halfway to winning their trust. Also, use data to your advantage. Analytics can uncover surprising gaps, like those high-traffic but low-conversion pages. Question: why do so many eyes see these pages but so few take the next step? Is it because there's something they're looking for that they can't find? Bingo! That's a gap begging for a lead magnet to step in. Remember, a careful content audit is not just an exercise in content organization. It's the foundation on which successful lead magnets are built. It sets the stage for lead magnets that not only attract attention, but hold it long enough to convert interest into action. So, you've audited your content and you've got a clear picture of what you're working with. Now on to step 2. Tap into the goldmine of customer feedback and questions. This step is all about getting up close and personal with the concerns and curiosities of your audience. First things first, rally your sales team. These folks are on the front lines, engaging in conversations with leads and clients every day. They hear the FAQs, the what-ifs, and the but-hows that your clients toss in before they're ready to sign on the dotted line. Make a list of these questions and notice the patterns that emerge. If multiple prospects are asking the same thing, you've just discovered a content gap ripe for a lead magnet. don't stop there. Your customer support team can be a treasure trove of insight. What kind of issues are they troubleshooting repeatedly? Is there a particular feature people can't seem to figure out? Scour through the support tickets and compile the common threads. That's the real-time, unfiltered voice of your customers, signaling exactly where a lead magnet could help clear the waters. Another powerful move is to go straight to the source. Ask your current clients. Consider running a survey or conducting interviews to get to the heart of their needs. What content do they wish they had when they were in the decision-making phase? Their answers are like getting a peek at your competitor's hand in a high-stakes game. Use that knowledge to craft a lead magnet that answers questions your rivals haven't even thought to ask. And let's not forget about the digital water cooler, your blog and social media comment sections. Here's where people engage freely, praising what they love and poking holes in what they don't. If you notice certain topics ignite a flurry of interaction or a particular question keeps popping up, bingo, you've just spotted another gap perfect for your next lead magnet. Remember, every question, every piece of feedback is a clue. Those clues guide you to understand exactly what your potential clients want to know, aligning perfectly with your lead magnet strategy. Just like a detective puts together the facts to solve a mystery, you're piecing together insights to solve your audience's needs. And with that, you're one step closer to turning those prospects into clients. All right, now on to the exciting part. Step 3. Develop gap-specific lead magnets. You've done the groundwork by auditing your content and understanding your audience's questions and needs. The next step is to use those insights to create lead magnets that are as targeted as a laser beam. Here's how you get started. Match every gap you've identified with a content idea that fills it. These aren't just any content ideas. These are your future lead magnets, the tools that will turn curious browsers into engaged leads. Say you noticed a lot of traffic to a blog post about industry trends, but not a lot of follow-through. Why not create an in-depth report on future industry predictions and make it available for download? Boom, you have a lead magnet that builds on already proven interest and positions you as a forward thinker in the field. Timing here is everything. Think about the content formats that have already won you applause. Is it the videos that simplify complex ideas or the checklists that make daunting tasks manageable? Whichever it is, use these formats as a springboard for your lead magnets to ensure they appeal to your audience's known preferences. Let's get specific. Draft comprehensive guides or white papers on subjects that matter to your potential clients but aren't thoroughly covered yet. Build toolkits that bundle your expertise into a neat package. Whatever it is, ensure it carries value that your potential clients can't ignore and clearly demonstrates the unique benefits of your offering. Consistency is key, and so is accessibility. Your new lead magnets should sync with your brand's voice and identity to maintain trust and recognition. They also need to be where your audience can easily find them. Think high-traffic website pages, prominent blog sidebars, or even a pop-up that doesn't annoy but entices. Before you set it and forget it, remember to test, and test again. Try out different titles or formats for your lead magnets and see which ones entice more clicks and conversions. A/B testing is your friend here. It lets you play with variables to figure out the winning combination. There you have it. To craft lead magnets that cut through the noise and capture leads, align them with the content gaps you've found. Integrate your understanding of your audience's needs with the content types they love, and deliver that in a package that screams, or rather, speaks confidently about, value. Now, watch as those leads start flowing in like a steady stream that knows exactly where it's heading. In wrapping up, let's circle back to where we started. The journey to crafting effective lead magnets is much like filling a toolbox, each tool tailored to fix a specific issue your potential clients face. By auditing your existing content, engaging with customer feedback, and developing targeted lead magnets, you're not just throwing a net out and hoping for the best. You're fishing with precision, offering bait that's too valuable for your prospects to ignore. Remember, lead magnets are more than just freebies. They're your first handshake with a potential client. Make it firm, confident, and memorable. Lead magnets that truly hit the mark can turn a lengthy back and forth into a straightforward path to conversion. They can elevate your brand from just another option to the go-to source for expertise. And as we all know, the B2B world spins fast. Regularly auditing your content, staying in tune with your audience, and refining your lead magnets is not a one-off task. It's an ongoing strategy that keeps you in the game and ahead of the curve. So there you have it. Step by step, you've got the tools to identify those content gaps and create lead magnets that not only attract leads, but win them over. Let your lead magnets be the bridge connecting your prospects' problems to your solutions, guiding them with trust, value, and insight straight into your capable hands.